What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Coyote Lootcrate, the place for gold and silver. Where do I begin? I've been investing for a little bit now, almost a year. I've done the usual avenues. I've got some stuff in stocks, and I'm dabbling in crypto. I think most people in the finance world are on either side or in a bit of both. But I do have some extra money, and I kind of want to diversify a bit more. And what better place to go than the old favourite gold and silver. As you know, it's got a retained store value over time. It is the de facto place to put your cash when you're wanting to retain your wealth as much as possible and hedge against things like inflation, which we're seeing, as well as the world opening up now and spending is back on the rise. I just kind of want to see where I can diversify and hopefully see my wealth go in a good direction. But I'm learning. It's only, like I said, it's only been a year, and especially with gold and silver, it's only been about 6 months now. I only started in January, and this is what I've managed to amass. It's not too bad, I don't think. Just putting a little bit in every month, and finding myself with some very, very lovely coins, some very lovely designs. This one in particular, it's my native Scotland, which I'm very proud to have found. And yeah, Queen's Beast series. I would have liked to get more of them. I only seem to have the other one, which is the Lion of Mortimer. But I know there's like the Lion of England and the Dragon of Wales, and there's a Greyhound of Richmond, I think it is. So there are plenty of other ones. But yeah, I've got some typical Britannias that are very popular. The Royal Mint, very nice design as well. There's Lizzie herself. And Canadian Maples, for example. These ones, I think this is actually my favourite coin just to collect. I just love the way that you get the shine off the coin. It's just brilliant. Look at that. It's just could look at that all day, really. I got a couple other ones. Just sort of dabbled in different countries to see what designs there were. There's obviously your American Silver Eagle. It's extremely popular. Quite pricey though. I see that the premiums are very high on this particular coin, and I haven't got as many as I would like. But the time is on my side in this point, and we've also got some Australians in the mix, kangaroo coins. Big fan of the Australian coin as well. That's quite nice. I've spent some time there, bit of a fondness for the old Australians. Yeah, even getting a wee bit of the 1 gram gold on the scene as well. 1 gram of gold, just at the size of that. And yeah, I obviously managed. I was very fortunate this year to be able to buy in and invest in some serious gold. I got an ounce, and I obviously went for the Britannia for this one. I'm hoping, to maybe try and get another ounce this year. That's my plan, is to at least get 1 more ounce of gold. So yeah. So what's this channel about? Well, the main thing driving this channel is my investment journey, specifically in gold and silver. Although, hey, I can talk about how my other investments are going, but mainly gold and silver. And what I would like to do is do weekly videos where I just discuss the news in gold and silver, and what I'm following, what I'm trying to learn, and hopefully you guys can pick up some decent information from it. Even give me some information to look at, and help me go in the right direction. I want to look at the coins themselves, like the different designs from different countries. Like I've said, I've already mentioned Britannias and the kangaroos and the maple leafs and whatnot. I want to go into like where did that design come from, the countries themselves. Maybe look at some of the older designs and how they've evolved. That'd be really cool. Just my personal likes and dislikes where it comes to investing in gold and silver. Whether I'm more into coins, bars, why I choose to go for one over the other. It's all something I'm going to learn as I continue on. And yeah, so a weekly set of videos where I just do a recent update on the news in gold and silver and where things are going. And then I'd like to do a monthly one where I do an unboxing. Obviously, I invest every month, and it'd be great to share with you guys what I get at the end of those 30 days. And another thing I'd like to do with this channel is show how I personally keep track of my finances and sort of track my wealth. What targets I'd like to hit, and kind of show through, well, I use Microsoft Excel, but show how I'm able to, you know, kind of calculate what I've invested and what the returns are, and how I'm trying to hit certain targets for certain things, and also see where maybe I've accrued any losses and how I could resolve that for the future. So it's going to be a good journey. I'll make some mistakes, but I think it'll be exciting to share with you guys just what happens. Welcome to the channel, and look forward to putting the next video out and sharing my journey with you guys in the future. Alright, see you next time.